Watch this! This short film was made by AI clips. No camera, no actors. Today I'll show you the exact system on how to make this via Shortlist, Luma clips, CapCut edit and finished film. In this video you're going to learn how to create cinematic clips using a Luma Dream Machine, stitch them into a real story and make it feel them like a real film. Not some random AI shots. Don't just start with 10 minutes or 2 hours films. Just start with 90 or 60 seconds microfilms. 8 shots, 1 emotion, 1 twist. Go and open ChatGPT, put this prompt in, just change a few things like genre, theme and emotion and click send. And there you go, the ChatGPT made you 8 shot list. Now you're not guessing, you have a shot list. That's a real director workflow. Most AI films look random because people choose different styles over and over again. We're going to stick with one style and one style only. Every prompt will include the same line. So now we will generate 4 to 6 second long clips using a Luma Dream Machine and make 8 shots, and that's a real full microfilm. If you want a longer video, you can just add more shorts. I'm keeping the same style line in every prompt. I only change subject and action. So in the description you'll have the document that contains this prompt. Just check it out. If you want the same character in every short, you can first generate portrait you want, then you can just use image to video and every short will have the same character you want. Now we edit like a real filmmaker. Music, pacing, SVX and clean transitions. That's what make video alive. If you want a 3-minute film, just do 20 shots and the same workflow. I will put the prompt templates and a shot formula in the description. Comment AI film and tell me your genre, thriller, sci-fi, romance, just everything, and I will reply with a shot list prompt. So now you know how to create full film using AI. This was only 8 shots and 40-second long video, but imagine what else you can do with this trick. If you make 50 shots and edit them better than this little 10-minute edit I did, only the sky is your limit.